Friends, once again Maqbool Islam is in front of you. Today we are discuss about the MCQs on the topic of the circles. We are extended because we have already done question number 1 to question number 116. Now question number 117. When a circle is in the second quadrant, then what will be the equation of the circle? So look here, if we are finding here the circle is, this is the first quadrant, second quadrant and third quadrant and fourth quadrant. Now the circle is in the second quadrant means that here x value as negative and y value as here positive. So the center will be here minus x and plus y. So in this star, the center will be here minus x and plus y. This is the center. Now we are finding the center of the equation. Radius is already given r square, so we will get here 25. So look here, if we find the here radius, so 2g is equal to 10. So 2g, if we are finding 2g is equal to 2g is equal to 10, and here g is equal to 10 divided by 2 is equal to 5. So the g, it means that x is positive, that we are required x is here negative is required if we put here, and similarly and here if we are finding here 2f is equal to minus 10, if we are follow this or this anyway, we will check here f is equal to minus 10 divided by 2 is equal to minus 5. So the center is here, the center is minus x and y, so center minus x, so we will get here minus 5, and minus y is equal to positive. So and here is f is negative, because we are know that minus g and minus f is the center of the circle, and minus f, so that will be positive is required plus 5. But here if we put here, so c is equal to g is equal to minus x minus and minus 5 we will get here, and minus f minus both are cancelled, fy. It means that here the equation we get here, g is equal to 10 we get here, and e is equal to minus 10. So the option D is here the correct option. Two circles of the radius is given that, and 3 cm and 4 cm touch externally. If two circles touch externally, so this is the center, this one is 3 centimeter and this one is the 4 centimeter. So the distance radius r1 and r2 is required. The distance between their center is will be equal to, so we in according to the definition of the external touch externally two circles, so the distance between their center are we are 8, r1 3 centimeter plus 4 centimeter we get here 7 centimeter. So option D is the correct option. Thank you very much for watching. Please of circle x square plus y square plus 2gx plus 2fy plus c is equal to 0 of their radius is given, r is equal to g square plus s square minus c square root is less than r is less than, show that if any values radius is less than, then the circle is called imaginary part. So this will be imaginary part. Equation D here, option D is the correct option. And the length of the two tangent segment drawn from an external point of the circle are always equal. So option B is the correct option. For example, this is the circle and here centers, and this is external point P. If we drawn here the two external points touch the circle, so that will be, and these points are equals, they will be equal segments. The length of any two tangent segment, these are the two tangents if we drawn here, so that will be equal from the exact point of P of the external point. Radial segment of the circle whose bisect a chord to the, we have a circle and this one is the center, and we make a card. One of the card is this one, AB represents a card. A card bisects a card is always the radial segment. The radial segment, that is the radial segment or radial segment is always perpendicular. That is the perpendicular option. B is the correct option. And question number 122, 3x square and plus 3y square minus 10x plus 4y minus 7 is represent a circle. So the answer D is the correct option, because we know that the property if A and B are equal, so that is A and B are equal to here is the coefficient of y x square is equal to 3 and the coefficient of y square is equal to 3. So both are equal, so that represents a circle. We have already discussed in the previous video. Please check it. So if A and B are equal, the coefficient of x square and the coefficient of y square both are equal, then we can say that it is a circle. Equation of the circle whose center lies on the x-axis. On the x-axis. So then we put here whose center lies on the x-axis, and that point x and x dash lies on the x-axis. So then put y is equal to 0. So we put here y is equal to, in this equation, x square plus y square. So we will here represent, then put y is equal to 0. Y is equal to 0. We get here equation option C is here the correct option. X square plus y square plus 2gx. As the center is, we know that the center is minus g and minus f. It means that here minus x and minus y. Y value we put here, so then we put y value on the long x-axis, then put y is equal to 0. So in the place of x square plus 2gx plus 2fy, we put here 0. So the option C is the correct option. Similarly, the general equation of the circle whose center lies on the y-axis, whose center lies on the y-axis, then we put x is equal to 0. Then put x is equal to 0. Then x is equal to 0, we get here option here x square plus y square plus 2fy plus c is equal to 0. And here option C is also the correct option. We replace, in the place of x square plus y square plus 2gx mean here 0 plus 2fy plus c is equal to 0. We get the equation x square plus y square plus, and this will be 0, 2fy plus c is equal to 0. We get the required equation x square plus y square plus 2fy plus c. Thank you very much for watching. Please subscribe my channel.